Now you can enrich your conversation with the following most frequently asked phrases. Do you like it? Why don't you like it? What is there in it that you like the most? What kind? What kind of sports? Really? Does she like tea? Oh, what does he like? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. No, she does not. Yes, I do. No, I don't. A little. Ask your friends about their favorite sports and match their answer with yours. Now, questions can also be formed using much and many. How many and how much? How many deals with the numbers used to donate numbers? How many students are there in the room? How many people can travel in this van? The noun in the answer may be singular or plural, but it will be surely countable. The answer will be not many, but one, yes, as many as 10. How many brothers are you? We are 2 brothers. Okay, how many sisters do you have? I have 1 sister. She's here with me. For quantity, which is not specified and which otherwise cannot be counted, will be much instead of many. How much sugar for your cup of tea, sir? Not much, just 1 teaspoonful. For sugar, water, wheat, sand, air, gas, petrol, oil, milk, etc., we use much. How much milk you want to carry home? How much water you like to add to curry? Things that cannot be counted are measured by way of their weight or volume. Never try to say 2 wheat, 3 milk, or 5 oils. Always ask for 2 liters of milk, 3 gallons of oil, etc. How many stars can you see in the sky? This is another question. Punjab is the land of 5 waters. Here, water stands for rivers, which are countable. Similarly, inks means different kinds of inks. Fish is used both as singular and plural, like we use grain to donate the kind, but when you find fishes, be sure it stands for variety of fish. Supply questions for the following answers. There is not much water in the pond. They have destroyed 500 liters of milk on the road. Now in these, that explains itself. Often you come across a situation at your workplace when you have to report the matter. During reporting the matter or making report of some events, we have to remain consistent to the event that took place and words spoken by somebody. It is not necessary that we use the original words of the speakers. Sometimes they are not very significant. However, we use their words in indirect speech. Now here's an example of a conversation. Father: Rahul, tell your mother that I would be late today. Rahul: Okay, Papa. Mother: Rahul, did your father left a message for me? Rahul: Yes, Mummy. He said he would be late. Mother: What? What did he tell you exactly? Rahul: He asked me to tell you that he would be late today. Mother: Okay. Now, In this speech, Rahul is seen reporting his father's words, message to his mother. That is used as conjunction to join two sentences. Papa said he would be late today. We join the both sentences by using that. Papa said that he would be late today. While speaking or in conversation, that acts as a conjunction as well as a place for a pause. Stop a little while speaking and take a short breath at the word that. Children know that studies are different these days. Everybody says that English is a difficult language, but I don't find it that hard. How would you like to answer the following? Where do you work these days? Last time you told me that you were with Mary and Jones, didn't you? Try giving both answers. One in positive beginning with yes, showing your agreement, and two in negative, showing your denial. Begin your answer with no. Yes, you're right. Or no, I'm afraid you're not correct. Well, it doesn't matter, does it? That's like a good boy. Would you like to work for us?